What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a banger because we're gonna be doing a 20,000 mile update review on the 3 things I like, 3 things I don't like about this Toyota Tacoma. If you did watch my last video, I went around, I gave you guys an update on the truck and how it held up and everything about it, so on and so forth. But now we're gonna be talking about the 3 things that I still like and 3 things I dislike about this truck now that we're no longer in the honeymoon phase, but kind of sort of still in the honeymoon phase, because recently, I don't know what's been happening. I don't know if my Tacoma did a magic spell over me or what, but I'm liking it very, very much. Like, I get out the truck and I look at it and I'm like, dang, you looking good, girl. With that being said, if you're at all interested in today's video and you have any of the same likes or dislikes about your truck, let me know down below in the comment section below. Let me know down in the comment section down below. You get what I'm saying. So let's talk about what I like. I've liked this since I first bought the truck. I hope this makes sense. I like when things are very, very color coordinated. I like that this is like a gray, like a dark gray. And then over here we got dark gray. This is black. This is gray that matches this. And this is black. And this headliner is also black. So that's the number 1 thing I like about this truck. When I get in it, I feel nice and clean because everything's black. It just feels very nice and it looks very nice when you're inside the truck. All right, so it is a little bit windy out. This is the Tacoma TRD Sport Quicksand, looking beautiful. Oh my God, someone's gonna get on me about my parking. So this is the second thing that I really, really like about my Toyota Tacoma. And if you are part of this community, every Tacoma owner looks at the other Tacoma owner, checks out their truck, usually likes it. And that's what I like about this community, and it's really based only on the truck. If I had a Tundra and you see a Tacoma, it's kind of like, oh, he has a Tacoma. But if you have a Tacoma, you have a Tacoma. And we get along and it's nice and dandy. So that's the second part. The community that backs this truck is absolutely awesome. I've met a lot of great people because of this truck, and I appreciate you guys all. There's a lot of people, so I don't want to mention some and forget the rest. So if we've conversated, you know who you are. I appreciate you very much, and I hope to be making a lot more videos soon. All right, the third thing that I absolutely love about this truck, and I guess it came with it stock, but now that I've modified it, it's definitely a lot more present. And that's the capability. I took this truck off-roading when it was completely stock. It did absolutely everything I needed it to and more. It really surprised me, but now that I have it tuned up, I guess you could say, modified, whatever the case may be, it's just an absolute beast. We're running 285s. It has a 2.7-inch lift and then a 2-inch lift also in the back, so it's a beast right now. I love it so freaking much. And yeah, so 20,000 miles in and I couldn't be any happier. I love this truck. I love the color. There's like so many things I could name and list on about this truck, but man, this thing is looking nice. All right, so I had to step inside because it is awfully hot out. Let's see how hot the truck says it is. Doesn't it usually say it somewhere on here?
It says it's hot. It says 81, baby.
Oh, I'm tripping. 81. Obviously, it's not that hot, but it's starting to make me break a sweat. All right, so this list was compiled by me and Sandy. So the first thing, the truck's power is not the best. So this truck lacks power so horrendously bad. And I don't want to say I don't like the engine. I just don't like how strong the engine is. Stock form, it was pretty garbage. Now lifted with bigger tires, it's even more garbage. Hate hitting the brake because I know I'm gonna have to take off soon. Now I'm at this point, I'm kind of like numb driving. So I like just drive very slow, nonchalant. I'm not doing any more speed races. I had to quit my Toyota Tacoma racing group. I have heard of an OV tune, and there's a lot more tunes that you guys are talking about, and I'm starting to consider more and more. So we have a few other things I want to do before I do the OV tune, but it's getting close. Second thing that me and Sandy both agreed on, and she brought up, are these seats. Now, like I just said before, I really like the seats and how they're black, but I really don't like how they're cotton or whatever the material is, but they get messed up pretty fast and they get messed up pretty bad. If you're very careful with your truck and you take care of it and you don't let no one sit in it for too long, and if they have to, you know, stick their butts out the window before they fart, then I guess it's fine. I use this truck and I sweat in this truck and I do so much stuff in this truck and the seats are just not holding up. There's like stains everywhere and it's kind of gross because I don't know where the stain came from. Like, is it a ketchup stain? I guess that's my fault because there are leather seats that you could have got. And the third but not least thing that we disliked about this truck was actually the back seat space. It's usually me and her, but recently we've been starting to play soccer with my little sisters more often and their friends, and they've been sitting back there, and when I look back and I see 3 teenagers kind of squished, I'm like, that sucks. I wish I had more back seat space. If there was any way to get more back seat space, that would be awesome. I'd be willing to pay for it, but I don't think it would happen. Let me just show you guys. So I'm 5'9", 5'10" on a good day, and well, this is just my normal seating position. It's a lot closer than it is. Didn't mean to show you my crotch. But let me go into the back seat. Bada boom, bada bing. Oh! So I guess it's not too bad, right? If I was just one normal person here, it's not too bad. It's pretty comfortable, McDonald's. But you already know, the middle seat's not gonna happen. But the thing is, it's 3 people that are kind of my height. So it goes along and it just gets more and more cramped, and it's just not very, very comfortable. Back seat space is the 3rd thing that I don't like after ownership on this truck. So with all that being said, let me know what you guys think. 20,000 miles in, those are the things I like, what I don't like. And there's a lot of things that I could have listed that I like, and I feel like a few more things that I dislike, but not really. These are the main things that I don't like about the truck. I wish there was something that I could do to change them. But the engine, obviously I can't change it unless somehow you liked, comment, and subscribed and help me make $8,000 plus installation for a supercharger that supposedly isn't even that great. But then the back seat, yeah, there's no chance. I'd have to like get like a extended cab. I don't know. But with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know what you guys like and dislike about your vehicle. 20,000 mile update. So with that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace. Oh, also I bought these off Amazon. They're actually super helpful. My dad found this in a parking lot. This is also here. I had something here, but I lost it. Where's the little stuffed animal I had?